Hello everyone. Today's question is single element in a sorted array. You are given a sorted array consisting of only integer where every element appears exactly twice except for one element which appear exactly one. Find this single element that appear only once. So let's understand this problem using this given example. So here as you can see except 2 all the value is appear twice. So example 2 except 10 all the value appear twice. First we solve it in pen and paper, then we'll move to the coding part. So nums is our given sorted array element. So inside this array where every element appeared twice except 10. So how you can check it with order of log n time and order of one space complexity. So we are taking 3 pointer, that is left, right, and we will take another pointer that is pointing to mid. Okay, so first we start from left equals to 0 and right equals to alien nums minus 1. So alien nums is 7, so right is 6. If any pointer at any position that consecutive element are not equal, then that means the first such occurrence is the element that we need. Else if it is equal, then we will increase both the pointer by 2 and then it will take order of log n time. Here we don't use extra space to store any element, so our type space complexity is order of 1. Nums left. So nums left consecutive element is nums left plus 1. So we check left pointer consecutive element is equal or not. So nums left is pointing to 3 and num left plus 1 is also pointing to 3. So both are equal. So if both are not equal, then we'll return this value as a result. But here both of them are equal. So we will check another pointer. So now we will move to right pointer and check the same. Now our right is pointing to index 6, that value is 11 and consecutive value of right pointer is also equal. So left 6 is pointing to 11 and left 6 minus 1, that is 5, is also pointing to 11. So both the value is same. So if both the value is same, we can't return anything. So as you can see, if the both value is not equal, then we will simply return the nums right value. But here both are the same value. So now we check our next pointer value, which is check only one time because mid will remain constant. So now we check nums mid, that is pointing to index 3, value is 7, and we check 3's left side value and we check 3 consecutive value from mid pointer. If 3 consecutive value is not equal, is 3 consecutive value is different, means mid minus 1 is different to mid and mid plus 1 is also different, then only we return. Here as you can see, mid is equals to mid minus 1, means mid is equal, means mid have duplicate value, so we will return nothing. So you can check it at one time because mid will remain constant as we increase our left or right, so mid will remain constant. So now we increase our left pointer value by 2 and right pointer value also by 2, minus decrement right pointer and increment our left pointer. So now our right is pointing to 4 index and left is pointing to index 2. So now we check consecutive value from left pointer, that is 7, both are pointing 7, both consecutive value is 7, so this is equal. So now we'll move to right. So right is pointing to index 4. So index 4 value is 10. We check consecutive value of 10. So consecutive value of 10 is 7. So 7 is not equals to 10. So we can say this is our unique value, non-repeating value. So we can simply return nums right as our answer, because here consecutive value is not matched. So here our answer is 10. So now we'll move to the coding part. So first we write our base condition. Base case is alien num is equals to 1, means in array there is only one element, then we will return simply 0th index value, nums 0. Left is pointing to 0 and right is pointing to alien nums minus 1, while left lesser equals to right. Now we calculate the mid. Left plus right by 2, but mid will remain constant as we will increase our left value and decrease our right value. So mid will remain constant. You may write this mid pointer, calculate this mid before while also. So if mid not equals to mid minus 1 and mid not equals to mid plus 1, so we check three value, left value and right value is not equal, then we return the mid value. Now we check elif right not equals to right minus 1, right pointer consecutive value is not matched or not equal, then we will return nums right. Else nums left not equals to nums left plus 1, left pointer consecutive value is not equal, then we will return nums left as our answer. So if above condition is not true, we will increase our left pointer by 2 and decrease our right pointer by 2. And now we'll run it, running successfully. Okay, that's my bad, is spelling mistake, is nums. Okay, now we'll run it again. Yeah, got accepted. Before signing up, I want to say something. If you have any doubts in any video that I had uploaded in my YouTube channel, so please feel free to comment. And if you have any idea that I have improved my solution in more better approach, so please do let me know. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching this video.